Welcome to our detailed guide on how to remove all tags from your posts on Facebook using the Android app. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to access additional options. Select Manage Posts from the Options menu to effectively manage the posts on your timeline. Tap on Filters, then enable Tag Posts and tap Done to apply the filter to display tag posts. Select all posts and tap the tags icon at the bottom of the screen to view and manage tags on your posts. Lastly, tap on Remove Tags to remove all tags from your posts. By following these steps, you can easily remove all tags from your posts on Facebook, ensuring your timeline reflects your preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to remove all tags from your posts on Facebook using the Android app. Keep your posts tag-free and maintain control over your online presence by managing and removing tags as needed. Enjoy a more personalized and tailored experience on Facebook by customizing your tag settings to suit your preferences.